And what side would that be, Stephen?
The back.
Yeah, I was just going to say, he's got it exposed right now. Aloha.
Aloha. Thank you.
Choose a weapon.
God, it is so Malia right now. It's amazing now.
Like the bigger blade. Yeah. Alright? Yeah.
Where's this going to be safe? I hope this doesn't get ruined. I got this. And I hope Ziploc is as good as they say.
If it does, you're going to have to dip into that dance money then.
Yeah.
Oh, you need my wallet?